very proud to be a CNC machinist. Not many girls out there have this opportunity, so I'm excited to be that. I get to work on parts, go outer space, and not many people that have that opportunity to work. So I'm excited to be part of that great team. They do offer a great benefits, great pay, and on top of that, the 980 schedule. That's because that's giving us a chance to enjoy every other Friday off. You should consider to apply to EBAD because on top of all the great benefits they offer, they're always here to support the employees. Whatever it is you need. You want to improve your skills, they're here for you. You want to learn how to operate machines, how to set up machines, they're willing to support you. So this is a great place for you to work. Come and work for EBAD. We're right for your mission.